Tarka2468 here, and I am here with this master lock. You guys wanted to see it, so I'm here to show you. It's really cool. It's really nice and strong. Here, let me go ahead and open it up for you. As you can see, it spins around 360 degrees for your convenience. It also has a couple of mechanisms in there if you're interested in that, and it locks right back in place. Yep, just like that. And hey, Tarka2468 here, and I'm back with the master lock. You guys wanted to see it, so I got it. We got the drop test for them. Okay, so you guys were telling me that you want to drop it at around hip level, and I'm a taller individual, so this is even a little bit higher than the average drop test. So I'm gonna drop it and see how it holds up. All right. Now, if you look at it, there's no damage. It still spins and stuff, and it's still locked. It holds up, you know, it doesn't break. I'll do it one more time just for good sake. And here we go. I'll do it on this side. You ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. And it's still working good. Oh, hi guys. I'm back again. I have a more realistic drop test, you know, something that you might experience in the field. You're sitting there with your friends, you know, talking, having a good time. Your lock's on the table and accidents happened. Now, master lock's still good, even though it just fell off of this table, which is a good length. So you're probably wondering, how does it drop when it's open? We're gonna find out. It's not locked. I'm gonna put it right here, and you know you're talking with your friends. Hey, did you oops. And it still works. Look, 360 degrees. Money well worth it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure you like this video. Comment. I want to hear what you think. But I know you guys wanted to see this. As you can see, master. That's what it looks like, and that's the back. And thanks for watching.